Okay, so I did some digging, and I found out why I couldn't figure out where to go. Because apparently I just have no problem-solving skills at all. I'm just incapable of doing it. Was that a note on that side? I didn't see. So it said this door was weak, huh? Maybe I should use this. I suck. I just suck. You know? I fucking suck. All right. Some painkillers, some balls. All right. I did end up picking up this string after the recording ended because it was like sitting in the room that we came in. So this is how we get. Just soak the string first. Oh, there you go. Okay, now I have soaked string. Right. Oh. I need to start thinking straight. Okay. So we got, I think, everything we need to blow up. Apparently we weren't supposed to blow up that door. We were supposed to blow up the cave-in. So we can go do that. That's where I found the string, by the way, in this little box. Let's hope the fucking dog is not out here. I don't think he is, though. I should save, right? I should probably save. Me neither. I don't think I have to sneak around here. So I don't think he's walking around in these parts. He should be dead. I fucking killed him. Oh, he is over there. What the fuck? Where's that cave in? I gotta find it. Is this just back to the door I was at? Yeah. Okay. Cave-in's gotta be over here then. So this is where it wants me. So do I put the dynamite here? The thing I looked at said I needed to put the TNT over here. So maybe I gotta go find the TNT and pull it over here. Is he lurking over here now? Luckily, I don't have to pull this that far. Oh, and I can pick it up. Okay. I thought I would have to drag it. This is so annoying. Stop panicking. He's going away. He's going away. Oh, shit. Oh, I'm sweating. I think we're okay. Whew. He didn't hear that, did he? Do I just light it now? Oh, shit. No! Shit! Maybe I can get him to go somewhere if I throw something. Like if I throw it at the other door. Oh, he does go to it, yeah. Fuck, but he still patrols. So there's nothing I can do. He just patrols over here. That's annoying. Alright, so I gotta get the TNT back over here. Where can I hide from that? Probably that. Just gotta wait for him to go that way. Jesus Christ, I thought he saw me for a second. Can I do it? Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Grab it. Oh shit. Oh. I think I did it. I think I did it. Go, 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 go. Oh my god. He had to have heard that. Do I go over there? Do I... Oh, he walked back. Am I going in that? Okay, let's go. When I look back, I can't think what spurred me to go deeper into the mine. Perhaps it was arrogance at still being alive, or something as ridiculous as facing adversity and coming out on top. Now, I know I would have been better off starving or being mauled to death than kickstarting the chain of events that led me to end up here, writing to you. I just hope once you understand my story, you will have what's necessary to put an end to this tale. I certainly didn't. Okay, is it safe? Am I kidding? It's Penumbra. Of course it's not safe. Doesn't look like there's anything in those. Power room. The noises down here are so alien compared to the way sound travels on the surface. The rock almost sounded organic, like the rocks are screaming. Ooh. Don't like this. Wait, what? Their blind experimentation never achieves anything. Oh boy. Now that's a whole... I can go down there? I don't want to do that. Oh. I don't like that. What was the point? What was the point of coming down here? There's someone whispering. I don't like it. What was the point of this? The hell was the point of that? Oh, I see. Am I supposed to, like, push this off the side and go back down there, or do I need this for something? I'm confused. I'm confused. It's a puzzle. Oh, it looks like a puzzle. I don't know anything about this puzzle yet. Damn it. Oh, save station. Aha. Congratulations on your purchase from the Type 7 product line. We are certain that you will be pleased with your new petrol-driven electrical backup system. Below are highlighted just a few of the added and improved features of the 7G model. Avoid personnel wear and tear. The wind-up starter motor has been replaced with a battery-driven unit. Grease in the industrial workplace can be accident-inducing insurance nightmare, so enjoy the new increased grease control system. Electrical insulation can be expensive to install and maintain, so the economical 7G basic model arrives without, and much, much more. Ensure the areas around personnel in case of overheating. Connect and confirm secondary flow by turning appropriate valve. Oh, I see. Okay. I'm gonna take a picture of this. So I think these go with those thingies. Let's see here. Okay. All right, let's try this. So we need turning the appropriate valve. Cooling system. Ooh. Am I supposed to? Okay, okay. Okay, we're doing this. What we gotta do with this? Maybe I can break this? Ah, okay. Yeah, and then we do that. And then we go down there to pick up the parts. Yes! Okay, I can break this then. This is annoying. Okay. Got a battery. Where do I put the battery, though? Is there like a... Oh, maybe here? Ah. The appropriate valve. Okay. Ah. Cooling, so this one, maybe? Oh. Do I just turn them all on? Alright, we're gonna try that. Fuse box. Ah. So I did what I was supposed to do, I just need a fuse. Okay. Let's go find a fuse. Hello? I should start using my flashlight a little bit more. I mean, that doesn't really do much, but... Oh. There's a dog on that side. So I'm gonna have to deal with a dog when those gates open. That's great. Hello. Emergency procedures. In the event of an emergency, all mine workers are asked to follow the standard emergency procedure detailed in the leaflet provided. Rescue services will already be on their way, and so under no circumstances should employees attempt to aid colleagues themselves or contact the emergency services. This code sheet is provided for use in the extreme unlikely event that you are trapped in the mine with no way in which to signal or otherwise contact emergency crews. In this scenario, you should ensure the stability of surrounding environment, but generally when you feel outside. Okay. I'm gonna have to do Morse code? Oh. This is gonna suck. Fuse. Okay. Throat. Oh, I need it. Okay. Door. Hello? I'm gonna close this door. It's sneaking up on me. Comm radio. I'm really gonna have to do Morse code. I don't think I need to do this yet. Because that gate doesn't even have power, I don't think. Stairs. What the fuck is the point of this? I mean, does this work? Okay. Fuck you. So it says contents can't be far away. That's an explosive barrel. Probably use that to kill that dog. Can I pet that dog? Another one. Maybe I do have to do Morse code. I need to find that fuse. Said contents can't be far away. In the box. No. In this. Nope. I thought that was the fuse. But it is a flare. Ah, there's... Oh, no. That's a battery. Damn it. Oh, is that the fuse? Oh. Can I pick it up? Thanks. No, that's the radio area. I need to find the... where I put the fuse. Back this way. Okay, now it should work. Come on. Come on. Let's turn the puppy on. Ah, I do have to do it in an order. Fuck. I'm not gonna waste my flashlight on this. Maybe I don't have to turn on all of these? Secondary flow. Cooling system. That maybe. One of them steams, one of them's cooling. Beacon grease flow. Oh wait. Shit, I fucked that up. Hold on. Hold on. Yeah, I know. So it's secondary. Right? Okay, secondary. Cooling system, which I think is this one. And then steam, which maybe is this one. Grease, because it looks like that, I guess. And then the main one. And then this should be it. I did it! Yeah! Fuck yeah, I'm smart. Let's go. Now let's go decipher some Morse code. This is gonna be stupid. Oh yeah. Ooh, I can turn my light off now. We have to take a picture of the Morse code. This is gonna be fucking annoying. I need like I need a pen and a paper. Alright, I'm gonna go find some pen and paper. Okay. I have pen, I have paper. Let's do. It's not so scary when the lights are on. Oh, can I trap him in one of those things? Like, if I open this... Oh! Like, he lunges at me. Right? I close the door and I move this. Dude. That actually might be so sick. I don't think he can get out of that. I can do this one too, so he definitely can't get out. Zero. Two. So 0, 2. Zero, 2, 3, 8. I think it's 0, 2, 3, 8.
day. Can you hear me?
Oh, shit.
Well, I hope that your ears are working better than your tongue, so that you might use them to listen to my words. You have turned on the light at the end, beginning, and middle of the tunnel, but some things remain shrouded in darkness. My Morse message I hope has helped, but what you need now is through the wall hole to the right of the fence. Go now, there is no time to explain. Well, in fact, time is one of the few things we have in abundance down here. What surprises are spoiled by such catty curiosity.
What? Is it 0239? What? 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 Maybe it's 0248. What? I'm so confused now. Okay, now I have to go back. It's 5738. I was mixing up the dashes with the dots. There we go. Can I trap you in here? Come on. Yep. Come here. Come here. Come on. Ah, you fucking bitch. Okay, we're just gonna do it. We're just gonna go. What's up? To the right of the gate, there's a hole. You lied. You lied. Oh, there's a door. It doesn't matter.
My memory is like something with a great many small holes. We shall be needing to perform some minor demolition work so that we might one day meet again. For this task, we shall require the use of a large, earth-eating metal monster, and that monster is thirsty for juice from the place where things are kept.
Shit.
By the way, you can call me Red. It's
Hello.
not my name, you understand, but I am sure you will agree it is a name rather similar to a cardigan. Fetching when worn correctly.
Can I blow him up? Oh. Oh my god, no. Die. Oh, I killed him! Yeah! Can I just... Maybe I could just jump over it, probably. No? Stupid! Ah. Thingies. I would like to save at some point. That'd be nice. Can I save? There's another dog? I gotta fucking get the thing to kill him now. Come here. Doggy. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I got this. Okay, it takes 6 hits. Another dog? All right, fine. Oh, shit! Okay. Yeah, I killed your brother. Fuck you. Dumbass. I gotta wait for him to fully get up before I hit him. 4. 5. That one only took 5. Door. Oh. No. No, like...
Those holes in my mind are increasingly gaping. You
Oh,
cannot
there's a
breach
safe.
the inner
Okay.
sanctum of the place of storing. The entryway is blocked. So what if the squashy material between my ears is squashier than most? I may not be perfect like a hanging picture, but my words are wise and backed up by time. A pox on both your brain cells. Try as I may, you must think that I deceive you with my admittingly cunning ways. As far as my eye has seen, our rocky grave extends, and yet you cast away my hope like you would a puppy freshly rolled in its own feces. I hope that your warped sense of morality is better company than I, because now it is all you have left.
Okay.